Don't spin those around too much like that.
Okay.
You can actually hurt those.
Hard on them?
Well, you know, at 30,000 RPM, they start going above the rated RPM level.
Right.
You have problems. Plus, they're not really lubricated when you do that. So.
Okay.
Did you blow the other one out, make sure it was clean too?
I did.
Oh.
Both sides.
Does it feel better now that you got all that crap out of there?
Yeah.
That was the good one though. The other one, the outside was the one you didn't like.
Yeah.
Same? Different?
She feels a little better.
Got some grit out. Good. Okay, I gotta wipe that out a little bit. Just the seal area is all I care about. The rest of it should be clean already. Where's the new seal? We don't have one.
Okay.
Now, did you screw up the seal area when you jammed that shooter over there? And put a
I
big
felt it. I
gouge
did
in
not.
there?
I did not.
Good, because this is heat treated, but it doesn't mean you can't screw it up. Okay, go get the new seal over there. Where's it over here? Oh, where's that? Look in that box that had the gaskets in it. Maybe the seal's there. It was only one seal in the James package. Remember? Thought I left it on the table though. Yeah, that's the same bag, but you only want one of them. So where's the single one at? Here. Find it? Where's that little box that had the gaskets in it? Where's the box that had the gaskets in it? That ain't it.
The box we had over there. It's gonna be this guy here, right?
Probably the single seal sitting on here all by itself. I'm thinking that's the one we want. What do you think? Think that'll work? That's a 12035B. Remember that number. Next time you need one, you'll have the number memorized in your head. What was that number again?
12035B.
Damn, good memory.
Usually that wouldn't still be there.
They've already been gone?
If you'd have told me your name, I'd forgot it already. I
already
promise.
forgot my
That's
name.
how that works.
Oh, what do you do? You got 2 dogs in a chair and the third one's fighting for the stick.
Poor McAllen.
I don't know what's going on over there, but they're having issues. All right, what do we got?
All right.
Okay, this one needs to go press on. Which way
Press
you
it
gonna
in?
press it? The correct way or upside down way?
I'm gonna press it in like this.
I can't see it, I got a hand in my way. Why like that?
Because this wiper here.
Because that's how the seal is made, the seal oil into the tranny, not out of the tranny. We want the oil to stay in the tranny, not come out, right?
Right.
Yeah, that's why we put it in like that. Okay, I need something that's a little bit bigger than the gear. What do you got over there? That looks bigger than the gear. Yep, that'll work. Okay, press. Let's go into press myself. Now, where's your big spacers at? Because we got to come up about a foot.
We'll just keep stacking them.
Yeah. I think you need to move the press up a little bit.
Whoa! That gotta be fast!
Added some weight there, huh? Added a little weight. Those grab handles make it convenient. The grab handles make it convenient to do that. Now we're talking. And a flat plate.
Now we're too tall.
No, we're not.
You think?
If not, you take the flat plate off.
Here we go. Stop.
Amazing how that works. Turn the knobs. Where was that at? Oh, right where it belonged. Why'd that thing go up so much at the top? Is it moving yet?
No, I haven't. I just literally am about to touch down.
Let's go. Look at the whole fucking thing goes up in the air a long ways. That's weird.
Oh yeah, because there's space up here, so I have to push it up to push down, right?
Yeah, it's stupid. Yeah. You hear that pop?
Yep.
That's when it went in. Now you can't. It's hard to do that by hand because if you cock it just a little bit, it just pulls the seal up.
Right.
Because it catches on that lip, it just tears it right in half. Because it has to squeeze 360 all the way around one shot. Okay, it's already in. You stopped.
Stop.
Did it?
Right.
Did you feel it move any further? It stopped.
No, I mean I don't think I'm all the way set. I think it could go a touch more.
Well then, crank on it.
Okay.
Is it hot? Is it got
Now
pressure on
now
it?
it's starting to get pressure.
Yeah, it had pressure before.
Okay.
Now you just put a lot more pressure on it. Yeah, when it stopped the first time, it was all the way down. Where's that handle go? You gonna leave that right in the way? Poke yourself? Ah, he's got a spot for that now. Gonna put a hole in that wall eventually, but it's all right.
Yeah. Just once he's closer, it's gonna go back the way I have it. But...
All right, is it flush now?
Yeah.
Okay. Used to be you had to go 50 thou down. Yeah, you go 50 thou down.
Throws a lot of trash when you stuff it in there. I can see. Listen, if that's going in that tight, it's shaving that paint off of it.
You know, I don't know what that sealer's supposed to do because it takes it all off. But whatever. It's a good.
That's what that's supposed. It's a sealer.
It was a good theory there, but it looked nice in the bag. In the real world, I don't know if it really does anything. Dog likes that.
Oh man, it's pissed. All right, I like that.
Okay, so now, is the seal working correctly at that height, or are we going to recess it deeper? See, the seal's way up in the air right now. So, like I say, you're supposed to go 50 below the surface,
Okay.
but you don't always do that. You got plenty of room to go down another 50. The problem with your press is you don't have much control over that 50.
Yeah, like you're right. There's
You'll
no-
probably run it all the way into this,
when you go to this
bearing.
to the second stage, it's slow and it slows down a ton, right?
Yeah, but the problem you got so much having that cylinder go up, whatever it went up a quarter inch or
when
something.
it has to. You're right. You're
It's
right.
stupid.
It's kind of goofy.
Yeah, that needs to be wedged in there so it doesn't do that somehow. Probably have to weld some
right.
keys underneath it to jack it up so you don't have all that clearance. I don't know. I don't like that design like that. It's not good. It's a good idea, but they failed on the execution of doing it correctly. Like I said, you can try to go a little deeper if you want. You gotta be careful, or just leave it flush. The spacer's gonna be, we're gonna use that spacer right there. It doesn't go all the way in. This one here. So you don't have to worry about it going and hitting against it. That one. But, you know, it's up to you. If you want to go a little bit deeper, then you can try it. We'd have to have one of these that's small enough to do it. That obviously is not the right one. Go up 2. Try it. Probably should have checked that before we put it in. Go up 2 more. Those are small increases.
Oh, that's about perfect.
We'll go up another one. These have a chamfer on it, so if we use a chamfer to our advantage, can only go so far.
I have another set that has a chamfered, you know, a step to it.
Yeah, see, it can only go so far. Let's try this one here. We'll go until it just touches.
Okay.
And it's got the chamfer in there, so they might work to our advantage. And go down just a little bit further, not much. But you have to have it lined up perfect for it to do it. So I think I got it pretty centered. So give it a try, see what happens. It's either gonna go down just a little bit, or it's not gonna move at all. Use the heavy one. The other one.
Yeah, this is a heavy one.
The other one.
This is the light one.
This is heavy pressure for you. You have very little feel when you.
Oh, yeah, because
Yeah, but when you got the high pressure one, you have very little fuel. That's why you want to use
I'm on high pressure.
the high pressure is you.
This is high pressure. This is low pressure. I mean, excuse me. This is high pressure. This is low pressure.
This is the one where it's harder for you to work. I got no feel. Look how much fucking stupid stuff going on there.
Yeah, it's because of this. And that.
I know
That's
it. I know what it is. It's just I don't like how it's made. Okay. This one here is high pressure for you, not the part. See how it goes quick? That means it's high pressure for you. So you got to push really, really hard here to get anything to happen over there.
Right.
Okay, I feel something. I either just puked a bunch of fluid out or it went down. I can hear it pissing. And this thing is heavily tight, but it's pissing oil into it. See, it's on bypass.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why it's doing that.
Probably because you got to go to the. I feel like it does that. Like if you go to the.
Yeah, but I want to go to the next one.
Right.
So I don't think that really went down anymore. It might have, but it didn't do much if it did. I think we'll just leave it. I don't like how this thing feels. There's no feel with this thing. This thing got to get modified to get some feel.
What do you think about maybe building a couple little wedges? You know what I mean?
Got to do something to keep it from going.
Yeah.
The thing is, it's got
I
to
don't
push
know about a
up.
wedge because you
The
need
wedge
to be
has to go
square.
under it, not on
Right.
top. Top has to go all the way up. The wedge has to be underneath it to keep it up in the air. See, my press has those. When you turn the handles on the eccentric rollers, it jams it in when you clip them down.
Mm-hmm.
This one here you don't have. It just slides back and forth and bounces all over the place.
She's gonna need some sort of attention, huh?
This thing needs a lot of attention. It's got a lot of features, but it's not.
This is
This is a joke. But why is it blowing the pressure off when you're on this trying to do something?
that
Here?
can't be that way. I mean, you don't even start to register on the
I'm not even registering the
lines,
gauge.
you know?
But what the? I don't know why it's blowing everything off. It's on blow off. You can feel. You can hear it blowing.
Yeah, you can push it. Hear it.
And we're not out of fluid because we're way up high.
Yeah.
I thought we were out of fluid before when we were doing that tire because I could hear it doing it, but no, it's not. It's like
almost
it's
they only
limited.
want you to use that for moving. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's like you got maybe
Strange.
1 ton of pressure or 2 tons of pressure max, and,
then
it blows
pushes.
off.
Yeah.
It's got a hydraulic blow off valve.
Agreed.
But that shouldn't be there. It should be as hard as I want to pull on it pressure.
Right.
Because I have, when you're on high effort over here on your side and low pressure built up over there, you can only put so much pressure because you can't pull hard enough.
Right.
You don't need to have it governed by some blow-off valve. It's going to mechanically be a problem. But, all right, we're going to leave that alone. We're not going to deal with that.